hit the bird. Go again. Can I drive? I'll go on this one, man.
Yeah, you can drive this one.
Right in the pond. Yeah, smash it. It makes your nose bigger when you get close to it. Shoot it away like this. Put this in.
Oh, no, everybody was sitting there. Right?
Yep.
Got him?
Yep.
You haven't got any more cans, do you?
Yeah, one here.
Oh, yeah, fuck it. Oh, he's still the decoder.
We're going to set the top light.
Yeah. Wait for your
Start it up.
Oh, wait for Nick to finish. Fucking one of them at you.
You can hold this? You think you can hold that? I can't even see it. Ready?
I don't even know if it's open.
Oh yeah, it's set.
Oh, do it the easy way, just stay on the front.
I'm not gonna lie, I've got one went right there.
What? Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, that's a really good video. Mine's right here.
Oh. There, I'll go that way in case someone decides to hit balls at us.
I'll quickly kick mine.
It's not working, look. There's no colour.
Yeah, I know. It just turns off, but it's still recording. Or you can just tap it. Spare ball, no number.
Put it in your pocket.
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
Out the middle.
Oh, there? We'll
You get hit by balls going that way. No, I don't know where mine went. I hit about 6 of them.
I don't think I should. Should I go get mine?
Huh? What's yours? Stop. You can't go 10 metres. No cuts. I put her in reverse. Okay. Okay, that's where we're going up there. bloke with the ball, bloke walking up in the middle of the field.
Huh? No, don't have to go.
Okay, stop.
Come on, Dad. Yep, so don't even know where it went. I wish this thing would go faster, man.
Are we supposed to follow that? Where's the outfree there? Where's that one?
Oi! Is this anyone? Marco! 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 No. We just go there?
There.
Strong.
Look up the top and wait for them. Okay, now you gotta, this is where you gotta act good. Where are the holes? Oh no, I can't see where we're going. I'm blinded.
Yeah.
Turn it off.